One rep max test, well, the idea of what a one rep max test is to find the amount that you could, the maximal load that you could do for one repetition. If you are a beginner, even if you're intermediate, I wouldn't recommend actually doing the one rep max test, but you can still find out what your maximal load is by doing a 3 rep max test. So the 1 rep max test is obviously the standard on it. Then you can get a 3 rep max test, you can get a 5 rep max test, and you can also get a 10 rep max test. And using a simple formula, you can find out what your 1 rep max is at a certain load. For an example, you have done a max bench press. You now know what your one repetition max is. For the purpose of this, or for the purpose of making this easy and just as an easy example, let's say your 1 rep max bench press is 100 kilograms. 1 rep max bench press is 100 kilograms. If you are looking to work in the endurance zone, so the strength endurance zone, you need to work at less than 65%. It's not exactly 65%, but for the purpose again of this video, I'm going to say it's less than 65% of your 1 rep max. That means that if you're looking to build up your strength endurance, so it is the endurance zone, but it's still a strength endurance zone. If you're looking to build up your strength endurance, you should not be working with weights that are above 65 kilograms. You should be able to do more than 12 repetitions with the amount of weight that you have. Let's say, for example, you've calculated your 1 rep max test, you got to 100 kilograms, that's what you think your 1 rep max is. You put 65 kilograms on the bar and you are not able to bench press at least 12 repetitions. That probably means that you've got your 1 rep max slightly off, in which case you can easily adjust it. If, for example, you get up to 65%, so 65 kilograms in this example of 100 kilograms as 1 rep max, and you are able to do 20 repetitions of 65%, your 1 rep max test is then also wrong. It probably means that you can bench press quite a lot more than 100 kilograms.